Welcome back to my channel. I am discussing about Power BI interview questions and answers. What are the rules regarding dimensions tables? In Power BI, dimensions tables follow these rules to ensure effective data modeling. Unique keys. Each dimension table needs a unique key to connect with fact tables. Descriptive attributes include attributes that describe data like names or categories. Denormalized, often denormalized to reduce the number of joins and improve performance. Hierarchies include hierarchies, example, year, month, day, for detailed analysis. Consistent granularity ensure the level of detail matches that of the fact tables. Dimensions tables in Power BI should have unique keys, descriptive attributes, hierarchies, and matching granularity with fact tables. So in dimension tables follow these rules to ensure effective data modeling. Unique keys. Each dimension table needs a unique key to connect with the fact tables. Descriptive attributes that describe the data like names or categories. Denormalization. Reduce the number of joins and improve the performance. Hierarchies from year to month, month to day for detailed analysis. How do you connect a fact table and a dimension table in Power BI? You connect a fact table and a dimension table in Power BI using a key column. Here is how it works. Key column. The key column is a unique identifier present in both the fact table and the dimension table. It links the two tables together. Process. In the Power BI model view, you create a relationship by dragging the key column from the dimension table to the corresponding key column in the fact table. Connect a fact table and a dimension table in Power BI using a key column as the unique identifier between them. For example, product and fact table, the join column is product ID. So the dimension table is product, fact table is the sales. So product and sales table, the join column is product ID. So we drag the column from product ID to sales table. What are the different languages used in Power BI? Power BI uses two main languages, M language and DAX. M language, purpose used for data transformation in Power Query Editor. Functionality, helps clean, reshape, and prepare data before it's loaded into the data model. DAX, data analysis expressions. Purpose used for data analysis and creating calculations. Functionality allows you to create measures, calculated columns, and complex aggregations to analyze data. Power BI uses M language for data transformation and DAX for data analysis and calculations. What is the easiest method to navigate in Power BI? The easiest method to navigate between different reports in Power BI is by using so MLanguage is a mashup language. In Power Creator, we see in the MLanguage. So Power Query, we clean the data, we transform the data, and we reshape the data into the data model. DAX. DAX is a data analysis expression. So DAX is used for creating calculated columns or measures. For example, total sales equal to sum of sales amount. What is the easiest method to navigate in Power BI? The easiest method to navigate between different reports in Power BI is by using bookmarks. Bookmarks capture the current state of a report page, including filters, slicers, and visuals. You can then link these bookmarks to buttons or images, making it simple for user to navigate between different report views or pages with just a click. You can also use buttons with predefined functions such as page navigator, bookmark navigator, or a black button to simplify navigation. The easiest method to navigate between different reports in Power BI. So bookmarks save the current state of bookmarks capture the current state of the report page. So bookmarks to buttons or images, making it simple for user to navigate between different report views or the pages. What is DAX? DAX is a data analysis expression, is a formula language used in Power BI, Excel, PowerPoint, and SQL Server analysis services for data modeling and calculations. Purpose: DAX is designed to perform data analysis and create complex calculations. It is used to create calculated columns, measures, and custom tables within Power BI. Syntax: similar to Excel formulas but more powerful. DAX allows operations like aggregations, filtering, and conditional logic on related tables or related data. Functions: DAX includes functions for math, statistics, logic, text, and time intelligence, helping you manipulate data and gain insight. DAX, data analysis expression, is a powerful formula language in Power BI for data modeling and creating complex calculations. Can you give? So DAX is a data analysis expression. It is a formula language in Power BI. So DAX is used for create calculated columns or measure. For example, to calculate the profit for each sale, sales of profit equal to sales of revenue minus sales of cost. So measures are dynamic calculations. For example, total sales equal to sum of sales amount. Can you give an example of a DAX function? A popular DAX function in Power BI is filter. This function creates a new table with rows that meet specific criteria. Purpose: filter helps you select rows from table based on a condition. Syntax: filter of table comma condition. Example: suppose you have a sales table with date, amount, and region columns. To create a new table with only sales from the West region, West region sales equal to filter of sales, comma, sales of region equal to West. This filters the sales table to include only rows where the region is West. Other commonly used DAX functions include sum makes, average, total YTD, discount count, and calculate for various data calculations. So these are the Power BI interview questions, very helpful in the Power BI interview. Thank you.